Button, 1, 2, 3. Oh, an Italian style switchblade. It's just so classic. Let's do a quick little unboxing. Very, very simple, just like this. There's even no plastic in there. We're gonna take it out like so. You will initially notice that there's a little slider right here, which ensures that the blade stays locked down. So if in fact I were to slide that up, it impedes the button right there, and so the mechanism does not deploy accidentally in your pocket. However, once you slide this back like so, and we push this button, 1, 2, 3, oh, is that not just satisfying? Ooh, that is wicked looking. Wow. Oh, that's awesome. Now, the blade itself does lock, and so it's not gonna slide right onto your knuckles. I've had that done before on certain really, really cheap knives, but this is locked down pretty good. Now, initially, a lot of people have confusion about these things. They're like, well, how do I disengage it? The locking mechanism is kind of concealed. Where is that? Well, see this little part right here? See how it kind of wiggles like so? So I'm gonna actually turn it this way so you can see more precisely. And when I do that, that actually unlocks it like so. Isn't that cool? And then there's a bit of a spring like so. All you need to do is force that in, and then it clips on like so. Once again, we're gonna deploy like that. It's locked. Simply do this right here, and then there you go. Italian style switchblade. It's something that's just so classy about this. So I'm gonna put a link to this in the description below, along with a promo code if in fact you want to get something like this for yourself. Ooh, that is just high quality. That's just nice feeling. Look at that, how that fits right in the palm of my hand. Let's go ahead and deploy it one more time. Oh, that is just satisfying. All right.